All right. So as I said now, if you look at this screen, when you sign in, you have please select scheme. Now, why do you need to select scheme? You must select scheme because you need to select based on the enrollee that you are attending to or you are treating the bill. And as I told you, if you check the enrollee ID and the enrollee ID suggests to you that the person is corporate, simply click on what? Corporate. And there you see okay to confirm okay.
Okay.
So it's showing Isioma Hospital. If you look at Isioma Hospital, from the summary I have here, it shows that Isioma Hospital doesn't have, Isioma Hospital does not have corporate enrollee. Yes. Welcome, Rave Dental. You are welcome. It shows that Isioma Hospital does not have an enrollee. I mean, a corporate enrollee, but you have NHIA. So for the sake of this training, I might just I might talk more of this NHIS. Maybe when we come back after that immediate break, we showcase refer cases to your facility using myself as an example. Now, it's showing 23 enrollees. Every quarterly, NHIA assign enrollees to all hospitals. If you want to see all these 23 hospitals for NHIS, just click on account, change your scheme to NHIS and say okay. And if you want to see your own enrollees, just click on enrollee authentication and scroll down and just put today's date here. Today is what? First. Yeah. So if you scroll down, these are all your enrollees showing active. Showing active. Can you see them? There are some that are withdrawn. You see the one withdrawn. That one needed not to be attended to, and the enrollee that is withdrawn. That is, the enrollee maybe has changed his hospital on one thing or the other. Yes. So that said, you understand. If an enrollee is not your primary enrollee,
yes,
it must be under authorized referral, meaning that their enrollee has been referred to your facility. This is where we can check for that enrollee. You check for that enrollee using the referral authorization code. That enrollee would have been given a referral code. Rather than using the enrollee ID to check, you will just put the authorized referral code here. Is that clear? All right. So let me quickly do a typical example of a case of enrollee being referred. Brave Dental, if you get timeout, you can still join us back. If we get timeout, please join us back. So I want to quickly do a referred case to this facility so that we can follow through the training. I'm on it, so just a minute. I'm with you. With you.
I'm waiting.
All right. So there is a case of an enrollee that visited your hospital. But this enrollee, his ID is UHI/01093. That means that's the corporate enrollee. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
So I'm changing my scheme to corporate. After doing that, I will go to HCP service and I'll say claims management. When the enrollee walk in, I said he's being referred. Of course, I need to be sure truly he's being referred. The next thing I'll ask him, what was the referral code? 1466038, and I'll click on find. So if I scroll down, can you see the person's details?
Yes. Yes.
All right. So from here, you can decide to click on create claim.
Okay.
Let me not make you do that here. Let me take you to where you should go to. Just click on HCP service. Because you want to process this bill, click on claims management. And put the same authorization code here. 1466038. 1466038. So I'll scroll down and you see create claim. I'll click on create claim. Then I'll scroll down. When I scroll down, I'll look at date granted. See the date granted. Can you see the date granted?
Where is I can't see it yet.
Date granted. Can you see it, sir?
Yes, I've seen
My
it.
mouse. So I'll put the same date here. The same date here, and I'll put the same date of bill. I put it in date of treatment, and I'm putting it in date of bill.
Yeah.
Then the next thing is click on add service. What was the service rendered? Please, if we get time out, join me back. Consultation was the service rendered, and I'll click on find. I'll choose it. The price agreed with United Healthcare, it is editable. You might see something more or less here. So you can just put it for illustration purpose. I'm just putting that. Consultation is done once, and I'll click on OK. The next thing is add service. Are we together?
Yes.
All right. So the next thing can be lab test or a drug name, paracetamol, for instance. And I'll click find. Now you have endless list of paracetamol in quantity, size, or wherever. Please disregard the ID preceding it. It's just a nomenclature for us to differentiate it. So if I'm choosing the paracetamol, maybe it's tablet or whatever, I'll choose the one that best describe what I gave or administer. Then the price, if it's not 200 per one, if it is 15 naira per one, indicate the quantity. If it is 10 or 4, put it there and click on OK. And you say like that. If you observe the entries are being made